Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody on Facebook asked how you could do text to path with a two-line text. I don't know of any way. When you text a path, it will just try it. It'll go text a path, and it'll do all in one line. I don't really think there's any way around it. But what you can do, a little extra trouble, Control K to break the text apart. That text, if you click on it, is like uh, less than 3 inches. So we're going to take this and we're going to hold Control D and make a duplicate. And we're going to make this other one 20 inches and hit P. That put its the amount you need. And then what I would do is set my nudge factor pretty high, and like for that we need like 25 inches, and I would take this one and just nudge it out of the way so it won't be in the way. And then take your bottom line, because you've broken it apart, get it over here by itself, text the path, put it on that path, and wait till you get that red mark right on the line. Get this font or line, get text the path, and put it on that line, wait till you get that line. And then you could break them all apart, but you could just nudge it right back. And then when you go up to object and break the four objects apart, then you can take away your path. That's the only way I know how to do it. Now, it might be a little bit kind of concerning because the inside path is going to be a little shorter than the outside path, if you get what I'm trying to say here. So you could possibly get them closer together. And possibly even before you break them apart, you could hold down your shift key and enlarge that to, get it like underneath that. When you hold down your shift key, it's growing from the inside out. And then maybe it won't be quite as noticeable. Anyway, that's all I know. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching. Wow.